HallCraft is Cradley Heath's leading independent vehicle repair garage, carrying out MOTs, servicing and accident repairs. We have been repairing and maintaining vehicles in the West Midlands since 1995. We pride ourselves on delivering 5-star customer service, but without the main dealer price tag. And HallCraft's unique fixed price servicing plan allows our customers to plan ahead and budget, knowing there won't be any nasty surprises. We offer 3 fixed price service packages: a minor, major and interim service to any vehicle over 3 years old and out of manufacturer's warranty. We provide MOTs, body repairs, insurance repairs, tyres, batteries, clutch, wheel alignment and much more. Our customer-friendly facility on MacArthur Road includes a 6,200 square foot service department and a separate 1,700 square foot body shop equipped with 3 spray booths. Our talented team have experience across a wide range of manufacturers and are ideally placed to ensure your nearly new Land Rover, Mercedes or BMW is maintained to the highest standards, but without the huge costs of the main dealer. HallCraft customers have the full use of our courtesy cars, all less than 4 years old, or we can collect and deliver your vehicle at no extra cost. All vehicles receive a free wash and valet before being returned to their owner. We've had to embrace some changes during the summer of 2020 as the UK emerges from the coronavirus pandemic. We've embraced social distancing by launching a keyless drop-off for customers and adapting our collect at home offering to ensure customers can still service, maintain and repair their car safely. Things will be back to normal soon, but in the meantime, HallCraft remains committed to caring for you. HallCraft are ideally situated between Halesowen and Stourbridge, just a few minutes walk from Cradley Heath railway station. Servicing the community for more than 25 years. Let us know how we can help you by getting in touch with the HallCraft team.